Fit for Volvo S90 V90CC 2017, 2018, 2019 Plus, Volvo XC60, 2018, 2022, 2023, Volvo XC90, 2017, 2022, 2023. High quality. Made of ABS material, solid and durable. Easy to install. Easy to install, just instant drop-in installation. Convenient to clean. When it gets dirty, just take the mat off and wash it with water, wipe it dry and put it back in place before using it again. Multifunctional. A perfect spot to hold your cell phone, coins, bank cards, change, and knickknacks, etc., so you don't need to reach to the bottom of the console anymore, thus can make the best use of the spare space of center console. Top reviews from the United States. Must have for people with lots of junk. This product is great. Fits perfectly in my 2023 XC90 Recharge. I keep all kinds of pens and gum and chapstick etc. in my glove box. The default glove box is just one empty bin and it's easy for stuff to get jumbled and messy. With this organizer I can easily keep everything neat and tidy.